Are you looking for the best soldering iron? In this video we will look at some of the top soldering irons on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. LDK Soldering Iron Kit. This soldering iron kit comes with an interheated ceramic technology that makes the soldering kit heat up very quickly. With this tool, connections can be soldered conveniently relating to televisions, radios, circuit boards, and computer hardware. This soldering kit is backed by the manufacturer with a 90-day money-back guarantee, ensuring convenience for the user. LDK Soldering Iron Kit comes with an adjustable temperature control system which allows for precise heating of solder joints. It has a built-in stand which can be rested when not used and possesses an LED light that provides improved visibility during projects and jobs. At number 2. Plusivo Soldering Iron Kit. This soldering iron kit includes all the items necessary for beginners, including a 60-watt soldering iron, solder wire, and other essentials. You'll be able to make your own connections quickly and easily with these high-quality materials. The soldering iron has a heat-resistant cap for its quick storage and heat-resistant anti-skid handle to protect users from burns. This kit is used for soldering projects, circuit board welding, hobby crafts, electronic repairs, and other tasks. The tools come handy in a durable PU carry bag that keeps all the components organized and easy to carry. At number 1. Anbes Soldering Iron Kit Electronics. This iron kit is a great way for beginners or experts alike to get started with soldering. It comes with everything required, including the tools and materials, and all it requires is plug-in and practice. This kit includes an adjustable temperature welding tool that can be used on any type of metal surface. The package also contains a 60-watt iron, sponge, solder wire, flux pen, tweezers, and more. These tools are widely used for welding circuit board, appliance repair, home DIY hobbyists, jewelry welding, and other tasks. So, that sums up this video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Until next time, have a great day.